Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make chili potato. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 4 medium-sized potatoes, 1 bell pepper, and 1 onion. For the sauce, prepare 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Don't forget 2 green chilies, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and oil for frying. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those potatoes ready. Begin by peeling and cutting your 4 potatoes into uniform finger-like pieces. Next, boil these pieces for about 5 minutes until they are slightly tender, but not mushy. It's crucial to drain the water thoroughly and pat the potato pieces completely dry. Finally, toss the dried potatoes with 1/4 cup of cornstarch, ensuring each piece is evenly coated for that perfect crispiness. With our potatoes coated, it's time to fry them to perfection. Heat enough oil in a pan for deep frying. Carefully add the coated potato pieces and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Once done, remove them and set them aside on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. In a separate pan, begin building our flavor base by sautéing the ginger garlic paste and green chilies. We're almost there. To your sautéed aromatics, add the chopped bell pepper and onion, cooking them until slightly tender crisp. Now, pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Finally, add your crispy fried potatoes to the pan and toss everything gently to ensure every piece is beautifully coated in that delicious chili sauce. Serve hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.